properties of transpose of the matrices. We will prove some properties of transpose of matrix by taking an example. Suppose A and B are two matrices, and we have to show that transpose of A is matrix A. So here matrix A is given, and what is transpose of A? To find transpose of A, we find a matrix whose first column is obtained by taking elements of first row of the matrix. So 3 root 3 2. First row of matrix is interchanged in the form of first column. Now we take second row and make it second column of transpose. So A dash is transpose of matrix A. Here we have to find transpose of A. It means again we have to find transpose of this matrix. To write transpose of A dash, we will write A dash and then again we write dash. It will represent transpose of matrix A. To obtain this matrix, we will interchange rows and columns of this matrix. Here first row is 3 4. We make it as first column. Now second row is root 3 2. We convert this second row into second column. And third row is 2 0. We convert this in third column. Now observe elements of this matrix and the given matrix. 3 root 3 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 3 2, 4 2 0, 4 2 0. It means this matrix is equal to matrix A. It means transpose of A is again equal to matrix A. Okay? Now we will prove the second part. Here in left hand side we have to find transpose of sum of matrices A and B. So first of all we will find sum of matrices A and B. We observe that order of matrix A is 2 by 3. This matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns, and matrix B has 2 rows and 3 columns. It means we can find sum of A and B. So sum of A and B is 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 1. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 2 plus 2 0 plus 4. This is sum of matrices A and B. Now we find transpose of A plus B. So transpose of A plus B is obtained by interchanging rows and columns of this matrix. So we convert this first row in first column and we convert second row in second column. So this will represent transpose of A and B. Now we have to prove that this left hand side is equal to right hand side, and in right hand side it is sum of A dash and B dash. It means first of all we will find transpose of A, transpose of B, and then we will find their sum. Now transpose of A is written here, this, and what is transpose of B? We convert this first row in first column, 2 minus 1 2. We convert this second row in second column, 1 2 4. Now we observe we have to find their sum. It means when we want to find sum of these two matrices A and B dash, we must check whether they are of same order or not. A dash is a matrix of order 3 by 2. B dash is a matrix of 3 by 2. It means we can add. So A dash plus B dash. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Root 3 minus 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. Now check these two. 5, 5, 5, 5. First one is same. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. It means these two are equal. So transpose of A plus B is sum of transpose of A and B. Okay. Now third part. In third part we have to find transpose of K into matrix B. So what is K into B? Here B is matrix and K is any scalar number. It means to find KB matrix we have to multiply all elements of matrix B by K. If we multiply all elements of matrix B by K, we get 2K minus K, 2K, K, 2K, 4K. This is KB. Now we have to find its transpose. So transpose of KB is a matrix whose first column will be obtained by taking elements of first row. So its first column is 2K minus K, 2K. And if we take second row and we convert it in second column, K, 2K, 4K. This will be transpose of KB matrix. And here in right hand side we have to multiply. We show that K into transpose of matrix B is equal to this. So first of all we will find transpose of matrix B. So matrix B is this. So transpose of matrix B is converting first row in first column, 2 minus 1, 2. Converting second row into second column, 1, 2, 4. This is transpose of matrix B. Now we have to find K times of transpose of matrix B. So K into B dash. It means we have to multiply all the elements of B dash by K. So we get 2K, K minus K, 2K, 2K, 4K. Now observe that whether these two matrices are equal or not. Order of this matrix is 3 by 2. Order of this matrix is 3 by 2. It means order are same. Now we check whether their elements are equal or not. 2K, 2K, K, K, minus K, minus K, 2K, 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 4K, 4K. It means these two values are equal. So KB dash is equal to KB dash. Okay.